Right guys, me and my son are out at location. We're having a dig about. My son were eager to get started. So yeah, we're going to bring you back on first find. Not much, but I reckon it's a good sign. That looks to me a marble from a cod bottle, if I'm not mistaken. Right, a bottle's come out, tablespoons. Pretty common, but it's a good start.
I found something.
What you found?
Oh, I showed you this.
Oh.
Right.
Oh, a little med bottle.
Yeah,
That looks to be modern, that one. That's a modern bottle. But yeah, good effort. Just scrape about all spoil.
Yeah.
See if I've missed out.
Yeah.
Right guys, our Kyron's found something in my spoil, what I've thrown out and I've missed. I knew it. Always check your spoil. It's embossed with something. Looks like a nice little bottle. What's it say on it?
Can't read it yet.
What does it say? Have a look.
Can't really get to see it.
Chivers and Sons, Hitchton, Cambridge. That's a nice little bottle. That's a keeper, isn't it?
Yeah.
That one on my side. Oh yeah, there is. Look at that. That one didn't spoil. The Cambridge lemonade. Oh yeah, that's a keeper.
Young bottle.
That's a keeper. Excellent. I'll clean it up, take a photo. Nice one, son. Right guys, look what we've come across. A little, not sure what it's made out of. It's lead, it looks like lead. Indian soldier. A little red Indian. I'll clean it up.
Lead? Is it made out of lead?
Yeah, lead. So yep, buzzing. I'll clean that up, put a photo up. Right, unfortunately just put my spade through it. It were broke anyway, no handle on it or out, but just put my spade through it, this side here. But if you look, it looks to have had some nice little designs on that.
Trying to get it.
Right, my son's been scraping about with a screwdriver. He's found an old little jar, looks of it. Got on it. Sometimes they have stuff on them. Is it a plain one? No, it looks to be a plain. Oh well. Let's crack on. Just caving this wall in. And I've just come across another poison. Buzzing. I try not to cave walls in, but I can't help it. I've got to. It's when you're going deeper, sometimes I'm just not finding as much. But what's it say on there? Poison not to be taken. Very happy with that. Buzzing. Right guys, this little bottle's just fallen out of the wall over where the sun were prodding about. It's got on it. It's got something on it. What's it say? Give it a clean.
The infant's friend.
The infant's friend. Woo. It's a weird one. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, but she don't smash it. Yep, that's a nice early one. Got underneath it. Nice one, son.
How we found it.
On a roll, man. On a roll. Excellent. Nice med bottle, that. The infant's friend. So it'll be obviously cough medicine or something like that, I'm guessing. Nice. Right, little jars popped out. Kirsten's salts, I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure, but there you go. Early screw top. I've got to show this little bit of pottery. It's really decorative. I love the outside of it.
Cool.
Nice little tree on there. Yeah. I would have loved to have seen that hole, but unfortunately on these old tips not many things hole. Not like that anyway.
Smash up on it.
Yeah,
Like when it fell
just
down.
shatter on it. Guys, there's a bottle in wall. Kyron's going to pull it out. Not with that. Oh, there you go. Have a look. Is it a plain one?
Brain, I think.
Has it got on it? Wipe that side. Yep.
Plain, innit?
Oh, it's a plain bottle. Oh well. Moving on. Right, guys. 2 little items have just popped out. I'll pick this one up. This looks to be a toy little cup. It looks of it, or a little mug, whatever. I'll clean it up. Then we've got this, what's popped out. I have seen these before. Oh, hello. This could be a keeper. It's not smashed out, and it's decorative. This looks to be a nice one. I'll bring you back. I cleaned it up. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, I can't find a broken bottle. Try and get them all, son. Oh, okay, mate.
Commercial.
Excellent.
Brothers.
But check that out. I'm happy with that. Lid's obviously knackered, but I'll probably take all that off at top. And that, I think, is a little keeper. Well happy with it. Buzzing. Oh, and there's this little cup that I found. I'm guessing it could be for a Barbie set, because last week Tony went and found a Barbie one similar to this, so I'm guessing it might be from the same set. So yeah, excellent. And that is a keeper. Right, Kai seems to have found a little pot, stoneware.
Yeah.
He's trying to dig it out. You might be able to dig it out now. Yep.
Yeah, that's it.
Nice one.
Is it?
You don't want it? No.
No. Is it?
It's a little pot.
What do they put in it? Dripping.
There's a note underneath.
Do they put dripping?
Yeah, that's what my grandma said anyway. They used them for dripping. So yeah, buzzing. Excellent little find.
Digging all up here. That's what.
Right, guys. I've come across a little doll's face. Porcelain. It's a shame it wasn't a whole head. But yep, nice little porcelain doll's face. Ooh, I don't know about you, but I just find these so creepy. Ugh, spooky. There's a bottle up there, what's just shown itself, and this has just fallen out. So I'm going to pick this one up first and have a look, see what this one is.
Yeah,
is it a plain one? I think it might be plain. Yeah,
get that
it's
one.
an old one though. It's an old one, but plain. Nice colour. I think it's an aqua colour. It's a shame there's no on it though. The next bottle, this one.
Right.
liniment. Actually, it's one that I ain't got. This is a slightly older one. I have got a few of these at home, but not as old as this one. And it does say USA on bottom, made in USA. Lovely bottle. Very happy with that one. Oh, has it got a crack in it? Oh, no way. Gutted. I think that's a crack. Yeah, gutted. Absolutely devastated. So, unfortunately that won't be coming home. What a shame. What a shame. Right guys, another piece that I've just got to show. Nice little blue and white piece. Looks oriental. Nice little decorative piece. Lovely. Right, another little teaspoons has popped out. It's a nice little aqua one, so I'm going to take that one as well. I like aqua colour bottles. Lovely. The teapot's popped out. Pretty battered like, but the bowl's still there. It's still a bowl. See if there's got any maker's mark on it. Anyway, I don't think so. Just two little gold marks there. Yeah, there you go. Son's just been having a dig. Unfortunately, this cup's broken, but I wouldn't know who this was. Right, actually, it might say Princess Mary. Princess Mary. Look at that for a portrait. I think that's a keeper, even though it's broke. I think I'll keep that. It's a nice little find. Excellent. Bottle's popped out, it just fell out in front of us.
There's another bottle up here.
A nice early one. At first I thought it was a Tizer, you know, with pattern round it. But it's got something else on it.
Got it.
It is a keeper. Kyron just found a bottle.
Bit cracked.
Oh, it's cracked.
It's alright though.
It's got out on it. It's an early one, look at bubbles in it. Oh, good. Oh well.
It's alright.
Can't win them all. But this one, it has got something on it. Give me a couple of secs to clean it up. It looks of it, that says pickup, Manchester, Leeds, Bradford, and then it has a serial number on bottom,
and
reg number.
And Bradford, I don't know. No.
718392.
And what's this?
And Kyron's just found himself a bottle stopper. It's embossed as well.
Is it?
It's got writing on it, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Carlton's.
Good then.
Nice little stopper.
You could use
Or is it is it Garton's?
Wait, let's see. Yeah, I don't know.
Garton's, I think.
Yeah.
Yep, Garton's.
Either Gartons or Gattons.
Nice little find there. Excellent.
Batman now.
Right. Dug another one of them little pots to go with that one. What Archive found.
And on this.
And Archivan's found what looks to be. I think that's Batman's arm.
It's got the spikes.
So yeah. Teapot's popped out. Is it a nice fancy one? Not sure. Might have just lost its colour. Let's see if it's got any markings underneath. It's got something there, look. Whatever that is. Is it that way around? Could be that way around, I don't know. That'll take a photo. Got something there. I'm not sure, but I'm going to pull it out, see what it is. And it's a little jar. It's got out on it.
Is it Vicks?
Looks like a Vicks one, doesn't it? But
I'm just gonna
it's got a lot of bubbles in it.
Oh look, I've got a pound. I don't know what it is.
It's got a lot of bubbles in it. Can you see them?
Oh look, Dad.
It's a screw top though, so. Little Bovrils popped out. It's always nice to find these. This is a nice early one. A 2 ounce. Buzzing with that. Kyron found a little tin.
Can't get it out.
It kind of looks like one of them what they used to use in World War II. You know, to patch all soldiers up. They had a little tin in their hand what they put all bloody rags in. So I'll bring you back. But yep, nice little find. There you go, gutted about that. It just shows you you don't always have lucky days.
What is
Just
it?
one of them. It's a flacken.
Have you already got one?
Yeah, I've got a few at home, but it'd have been nice to get this one, but oh well. I'll take a photo. That flagon. Absolutely devastated. You really don't know how gutted I am. If this had been intact. Look at that. 1923.
Yeah.
I haven't got a clue what, well, Summit and Bros. Breweries.
Finding a bottle.
Gutted.
Dad.
Absolutely gutted. The bottle just fell.
Nothing on it, I don't think.
Looks to be plain. It's got a nice decorative neck to it, like.
Different though, isn't it?
Ain't got any bubbles in it, no.
Quite different.
It's a fancy one. Unfortunately, it's plain. Right guys, unfortunately we're losing a bit of daylight now. Sun's going down, so we're going to get off. A little bit gutted about the flagon. It's a shame it were a broken one, but in this game, you know, it's just pot luck really what you get. You don't always end up with awesome finds. I think the probably star find today is the little cobalt blue poison bottle. My son's there in the background just chipping away. He seems to be liking it, so he might end up on some videos with me and Tony at some point. So yeah, I'm going to say peace out, and I'll see you at next dig.